Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5 with 23,826 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, an electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, an electronic windshield, and a CB radio. It's been upgraded with a Yoshimura slip-on muffler, passenger armrests, saddlebag luggage liners, trailer hitch, and rider footrests. The SPYDER offers long-distance touring comfort, agility, and thrilling power on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 998cc V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 76 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 928 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.